Hi, I'm TJ Talley. The Workshop on Wheels was a little bit more in depth than I expected. We looked at 3 different types of houses that were for sale. We had moments to talk about ideas about credit and actually what first-time homeownership looks like. And then we also had, in addition to a lunch, a chance to really get to know and talk about our fears and real questions as potential first-time home buyers. I think demystifying the home buying process was perhaps the most valuable, and also really making it seem actually attainable. Knowing that I can create an actual plan to own a home, which felt almost terrifyingly out of reach, now feels a lot more possible. So I feel actually empowered that in the next 6 weeks, I'm gonna make these very specific plans and then form my next 6 to 12 month steps for what I'm gonna do. I would wholeheartedly recommend this workshop. You get a free lunch, you make community, but more importantly, it not only demystifies the sort of house buying process, it makes you feel empowered. And I think for many of us, especially in the last 5 years, as costs have soared and feeling increasingly sort of like markets and equity have passed us by, feeling empowered is huge. And knowing that this is something that you can, with very, just very simple steps, actually move towards, makes me feel a lot more comfortable and confident as a potential home buyer.